out in front of somebody, you bug arsehole! You arsehole!
I'd like to get around this roundabout and not die if possible, please, folks.
Female police officer who was in the area at the time. He allegedly raised his knife before he was shot and killed by that officer.
Knobhead. Knobhead.
Stage.
You can't fuckhead. No, he shouldn't have moved then, should he?
Scene of shocking violence.
Dick.
But it was also
I've never seen such a reaction.
responders, and of course everyday.
Yeah, you're supposed to give way to people on the right.
That they would face such a moment.
I'd like one of those chili bottles, but I can't justify spending that much money on one. And I was like,
Hell,
oh
mate.
Jesus Christ.
Hell, man.
Boys got my bed.
In the quantum string states that are permitted on the outside, and that it never gets inside.
So what about the fact that if I watch someone fall into a black hole, their time slow down?
Yes.
Shit!
And at the event horizon,
An
it
idiot!
stops.
Exactly.
So can we say that all this stops at the black hole, as far as I can see?
I mean, it certainly is driven by some of those early.
Really?
Listening to Tom Swarbrick on LBC, these are the headlines at 5 o'clock.
We know this is not a perfect text. We know only a ceasefire will end the suffering.
The UN Security Council prepares to vote on a much-debated resolution on the Israel-Gaza conflict.
Every time I go to sleep, I feel like I'm going to be waking up unconfessed.
A criminal investigation begins into the...
These delivery drivers are colourblind, aren't they?
Once a year we give them a donation, you know, and that donation might be 100 quid for the year or whatever. But if you think about how many weeks and how many...
Technique, so it has to be regulated very carefully, and certainly not by us. But it's one of the few interventions that might...
If this had been a real plane, it would have crashed.
Very swat!
It's super scary.
Oh,
Jesus!
what are the other news items related?
What?
Nah. Just pull out, mate. Don't worry about the 4x4, just go for it. You may as well. What was the point in changing lanes back there? What was the point?
Oh, someone's knocked into that hole. Oh dear. Yikes, that was half the bike and the verge there as well. That's not good.
Why go to a fireworks show when you can just come to the tram stop car park and let them off with your mates? State of it, look at them. Fantastic. Enjoying your chat fireworks show?
What utter twat.
Shit, shit in it.
It's one's just shot off and hit that silver car.
That's parked.
Yeah.
Sausage each. And
ooh, that's not a clever place to park.
That's tight. Maybe not the best place to leave
That's
your...
when you need a little birdie.
That's when you need a smaller car, but what a place to leave your glamorous Vauxhall Corsa, eh? What a life, what a life. No mirror out, but you know, who needs mirrors? Both are folded in. Eyes after being sick last week. Are you seeing anything when your mirrors are not even?
That was an odd way to do it, though.
Ah, yes. Well, someone else coming the other way. No lights on. What a dumb bastard. That's like, see, no real lights on at all. None. Hello, you've got no rear lights on, none at all. Oh, okay. Alright, love. Taxi was dropping off on double yellows.
Can't go because
no, it's alright. Helping him out. Perfectly good pavement just the other side of those parked cars, sir. I can recommend it for safety reasons.
Bye.